Good morning all. We are down on the south coast in Lancing today. Weather's not too bad, it's a bit brisk. We are with this client's C4 Loeb Special Edition 2007 model. Lovely vehicle that he's recently picked up, and he's called us in to do a 3-stage carbon clean. Part of that service is we always do a diagnostic, and we did pick up one small fault with the vehicle. That was a preheater relay, so he's been advised on that, and when he goes to get it serviced he will be having that resolved. For those of you that don't know, our 3-stage service is the carbon cleaning, hydrogen carbon cleaning, which is going on right now via this yellow machine connected to the air intake, our 2-stage injector cleaner, and our 3rd stage, the chemical based carbon cleaner for removing the oily gunk before we insert the hydrogen into the engine. Also dries the carbon out. So that's our 3-stage carbon clean service for vehicles, diesel vehicles like this. It's £149.99. We do many other services for petrol vehicles, commercial vehicles, DPF cleaning, specialist diagnostics and remapping. If you require our services at all or have any questions, please give us a call on 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day.